The president and founder of Maryam Abacha American University and Franco-British International University Kaduna, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, congratulates Alhaji Muhammad Adamu Wakili on his 36th birthday on Sunday, 19 September. The congratulatory message was contained in a statement personally signed by the professor and sent to Muhammad Adamu Wakili, who is the Registrar of Maryam Abacha American University of Togo. Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, who is also the president of Association of Private Universities of Africa, described the celebrant as honest, trustworthy person who relates well with people and committed to seeing that youth, especially from the north and Nigeria at large, acquire quality education. He also described Adamu Wakili as a role model for the youth who respect elders and even the younger ones. He described this as an achievement to him and to everyone else. The celebrant, Adamu Muhammad Wakili, is an educational consultant, public analyst, social reformer, and political commentator. He also worked in Esai University, Benin, as admission officer, then later as academic secretary before becoming registrar in the same university.